What is an affiliate on your Zenler site? As site admin, you can set up affiliates. Any of your users can be an affiliate, and affiliates will sell your courses for a commission to their network. They may also run advertising campaigns to bring people into your course and gain commission from this. In this case, Arnold, who is an affiliate, let's have a look at what you see as site admin for that affiliate. So you have set them as the role of affiliate. Let's click the edit button and have a look. So down here you can see affiliate commission is 10%. This means if you have a course for £100, they would earn £10 for every time they sold your course. You can see the affiliate details in the tab at the top. This is their affiliate link, which they will also see when they log in. And there is their affiliate commission and the affiliate code, which ties up with the end part here. You as site admin can turn them on or off, and you can also give an affiliate access level. You can put this on a specific course or all courses. As site admin, you have the ability to change this. Let's log in now as this affiliate and see what Arnold sees as an affiliate member of your site. Let's log in as the affiliate, enter our email password and log in. So you'll see now that they have a new tab option. You'll also see any courses that they are enrolled in as well. For instance, this affiliate is enrolled in an EU tax course. If they were not enrolled in this course, nothing would show. They again have some access to certain parts of the site. They can log out, they can view their account, like all of the roles, and they also have this extra one, which is affiliate. Let's have a look at what my account shows first. So like all the account details, you have the option of account, notifications, billing, but they have an extra field now as an affiliate where they can go in here and they can see their affiliate ID. They can also generate a link here. You can see this. If they change the URL at the end, they can generate a new link for this. They can also see how much of a commission they get, and they can see visited, sales, total commission and pending commissions in here. Under sales, they can see any sales, and they can filter this based on a date range and course. They can see our payouts and they can see payment settings. It is up to the affiliate to make sure that they enter their PayPal account email into this area for you to be able to manually pay them. You'll notice that if we go back to here, we can also jump in to the affiliate area as a link from the menu. This is how affiliates work on your Zenler site.